Hi guys, this is Stephanie. Welcome to
Designs by Stephanie.
For those of you who are here for the very first time, welcome. And for those of you returning, welcome back. If you have not been here before, I would love to have you as part of this family. Just click on that subscribe button below, as well as the notification bell beside that, so that you don't miss any of my videos in the near future. Today I am doing a room tour of my villa. I don't know if it's considered a villa. I'm gonna call it a villa in my timeshare that I'm a part of in Las Vegas, Nevada. This is the Marriott Grand Chateau. It is right off the strip, right across from Planet Hollywood on East Harmon Avenue. I think it's Avenue, maybe Boulevard, but I'll put the address down below because I don't know it off the top of my head. And yeah, this is a 1-bedroom. This is a standard room. This is not one of the upgraded rooms, but it's still a nice room. So if you're interested in seeing that, then stick around and stay tuned. Okay, we're in room 3433. So let's give you guys a room tour. I've been in here already 4 days, so it's not clean to when you first come in, but let's give you a tour. So when you first walk in, this is the 1-bedroom, 1 bath that I have here. This is the Marriott Chateau Vacation Club. I am a timeshare owner. There we go, Marriott Grand Chateau. So this is the Marriott Grand Chateau, 1-bedroom. I stayed here before in Las Vegas. So when you come into the room, to the right is your kitchen. You have a full refrigerator with a freezer. Of course, I have stuff in here because, like I said, I've been here 4 days already. We have a freezer. The freezer does come with a ice maker. I didn't turn it on because I don't too much use ice. I don't really drink alcohol that often, so I didn't need any ice. I just usually have a gallon of water, but I finished the one that I had. So nothing's in the fridge except for my leftovers. Here, in case you want to entertain or cook for your family, you do have the cooking essentials here, and your glasses, cups, bowls, what have you. I have only been using the tea glass because I make tea every day. We have a teapot, but I didn't use it. I just been boiling my water here. We got I think this is an induction microwave because it has fish. Usually that's what that means. So you can use it in that manner. Then it has a full oven as well, all electric. Each of your drawers, you have your utensils to cook with. And nothing's in those bottom two probably. So let's come over to this side. We do have a coffee maker. They give you 3 coffees, creamer, salt and pepper, and then sugars and teas. I've actually drunk 2 of their teas. It was mint, so I've had that. We have your silverware in that drawer, your trivets, your stuff for your table, pot holders, dishcloth. They give you 2. I already have one in the sink because I wash out my cup. Then can opener and things like that. And then nothing in the bottom drawer. Here we have a dishwasher. This is one of the dish rags that was in that drawer there. I just hang it there to dry my hands. A regular standard dishwasher. They give you stuff to use to wash dishes if you're cooking. Also comes with a toaster. I have my snacks and my teas. I am a huge tea drinker, so I always bring all my teas. And this is my loose tea that I make myself. Link that in the video up there or there. Anyway, This, I stuck it in the sink. It was under the counter. I didn't want it on the counter, so I just stuck it in here. So when I just wash out my bowl and my tea glass, I just put it in there. So under the counter, this is where the trash receptacle is, and all of your extra stuff for the dishwasher. Plastic trash bags are here. This is my bag I save in case I need it for something. My old water bottle that you can take your stuff and set it outside the door, and they'll get your trash. Because you don't get cleaning every day unless you pay extra for that. If you stay a whole week, they clean 1 week. And then here are your pots and pans. So that is pretty much it for the kitchen area. Oh, let's see, it's probably something up here. Yes, there is something up here. So you do get a blender, a colander, and then some plastic containers. This is good because some of the timeshares I stay at, they don't give you that. So when you're cooking, you don't have anything to put your stuff in when you finish cooking besides these glass dishes. And they really are not for storage. So I always bring plastic bags when I'm staying for a week and I know I'm going to cook and have leftovers. Oh, when I didn't show this, you had a cutting board and then you have a knife block. So that's it. Got some pictures on the wall for Las Vegas, more for Las Vegas. And then over here to the left of the door when you come in, this is your utility closet. You have your ironing board, mop and broom, as well as a vacuum cleaner so you can clean up, and then a laundry basket because we do have a full-size washer and dryer. The bathroom has 2 entrances, one from the bedroom and one from the kitchen. I generally keep this one closed, but I opened it for this video. And then here's your full-size washer and dryer. And they do generally supply you with something to wash your clothes with, so that they're clean when you go back home. And a lot of times I do wash my clothes the night before I leave so that I don't have any dirty clothes to take back with me. And then here you have your dining room area. You can sit 4 people at this table. This is my bag for the pool. Left it there, my sweater for the casino because it's cold in there. And then some alcohol wipes and some poopery spray that I take with me in case, you never know what might happen. You got a full-size TV in here, a credenza. I don't know if anything is in here, probably not. Unless it's some guides, but generally it's never anything in here, no. So, but if you bring games or something, because some people drive, they can put that stuff in there. Get 2 chairs, a coffee table, 2 end tables with lamps, and this couch is a pull-out couch. They generally, oh yeah, they do. They have pillows and stuff for that, but it's in the bedroom in the closet. And then this time I stayed, I do not have a good view as I had last time. It was on the Strip, but this time I have, I think those are timeshares too. And then that's Hilton Vacations. I think that's the Halara, if I'm not mistaken, because I've stayed in there before, because I have Hilton as well. So yeah. I think that's the Alara one. They have 2 over here, so that may not be the Alara one, but I think it is because it's connected to Planet Hollywood, which is across the street. But yeah, so, and those are nice as well. But I'm not an owner for them. I'm an owner with these Sheraton Marriott. So let's go into the bedroom. And again, I've been here for 4 days, so it is not tip-top shape, but it's presentable. So you get 2 nightstands on each side of the bed. You get a king-size bed in the room. You get a TV as well as a dresser to put your clothes in, and you have another closet space for your clothing. Also in this closet, you have a safe and storage. If you want to store your luggage in here at the bottom, you can. They give you lots of hangers to hang your clothes up. as well as this is the my brain went blank. This is the linen and stuff for the couch that's out in the in the living room area. So that is it for that. Like in a hotel, they also give you the luggage stand. I always like to put my luggage on the stand, because as I take my dirty clothes off, I put them back in there until I decide that I'm going to wash them. If I do, sometimes I don't, but for the most part I do. Then another big old window, again showing the Alara Hilton Vacation. And then if you peep that way, you can see right there, that's Planet Hollywood, and that is I think that's the arena or part of the mall. Can't remember if they have an arena. I think they do. And Planet Hollywood, they do, because they always have people I think Shania Twain may be over there. She's somewhere. Somebody that's over there. But anywho, you get a chair in your room as well. And that's pretty much it for the sleeping parts. And then you get this big huge tub, which I like because it doesn't have the jets, which I think are disgusting for hotels, because I know they don't clean those jets out and skin and stuff get into them. Yeah, but I do like this tub. I said I was going to use it, but I have not. The decor towels, you can always get clean towels, or you can wash the ones you have if you need additional towels and stuff. So here you have a sink that's within your room to use. I don't think anything is in the drawers. You do have a trash can down there. I always store my shoes in this area. I always bring too many, 15 pairs of flip-flops and sandals. And then this is the bathroom that's also off from the kitchen. And in the bathroom, you get just another sink. It is an in-sink, internal sink, or I don't know what you call it. The other one is sitting on top of the counter. This one is within the counter. And then under the sink, you have your blow dryer back there in the back, extra trash bags, toilet paper, and tissue. And then you don't have anything in the drawers. I just have my personal belongings in there, so we're not going to open that. Then your towel rack, and then your shower, which is a nice shower. I really do enjoy this shower. It's spacious, very, very spacious. And it also has a bench in it. It has handles as well. And then it has a two-headed shower, which feels very good. I like that a lot. And yeah, that's pretty much it as far as the shower size. It is a very nice shower size. It's not small at all. Two people can fit in there very, very comfortably. And then on the back of the door, hello, you have a full-size mirror to check your attire. So that is pretty much it. Let me turn you guys around. So let's take the elevator down to go check out the pool as well as the fitness center. They have a nice pool area that they have lots of towels and lounge chairs, one covered area. They also have a grill and bar area for your convenience, and 2 hot tubs. There is also a fitness center that you have to use your room key to enter into it. I think it's 24 hours a day, but they have lots of nice equipment in here, row machines, as you can see, all kinds of different equipment for you to use. They also have a bunch of bikes and ellipticals in here as well as some weights. As you can see, everything is mirrored. This gym goes around into a circle. They have stretch area, which has a sit-up bar and a stretch bar. And then as you go around, there's more ellipticals. Then they have a cardio section that you saw to your left. As you go back, you have a waiting area as well as your bathroom areas for the men and the women, additional towels. They also have a water station for you to use, so you can come down and get water anytime if you need it. Yeah, and that is pretty much it. There's people in the gym, so I don't want to invade anyone's privacy, but just give you a brief glimpse of the treadmills that they have in here and more additional ellipticals. So it's a nice size gym for you to be able to use while you're here. And then you have more machines in the centerpiece for you to utilize. This is the front of the resort. It's showing you here. I think it goes up to like 38, 39, 40 floors. I'm not quite sure. I can't remember. But it is 75 East Harmon Drive is the actual address. I couldn't remember it earlier. It is right across from the Polo Towers on one side, and then the Hilton Vacation Club, the Alara, on the opposite side of it. I stayed there before, as I told you earlier in the video, which they are very nice as well. And then we have the Planet Hollywood and shops at Planet Hollywood. It's a mall area. And then it's across from the Cosmopolitan and Vidaria and Aria. And that's about it. They're right off of the strip. So you can see that. It's very convenient. Just take the crosswalk and go across the street. All right, that is it for my room tour of the Marriott Grand Chateau in Las Vegas. It's right directly off the strip. So if you're interested in staying here, I would say check it out. This room here is not the upgraded. They do have some rooms that are upgrades. I stayed in that last year and it was a bit nicer. I think I have footage of it. If I do, I'll link it. I don't know if I have a video. If I do, I'll link the video. If not, I add in the footage here so that you can see what that looked like as well as this one. And yeah, thank you guys for stopping by my channel. I hope you enjoyed the room tour of the Marriott Grand Chateau in Las Vegas, Nevada. And yeah, thanks for stopping by, and I look forward to seeing you all in my very next video. Bye bye.